How can I change my boring ringtone from this to this? Now let me show you. First open TikTok. Find your favorite sound and download it. Now go to the App Store. Search for GarageBand ringtones and download the app. Then open it. You will find that there are also many ringtones in it, but I will import my own sound. You can cut it according to your preference, then share it with GarageBand. If you don't have, then go to the Apple Store to download it. Finally, just export it as a ringtone and enjoy. That's it. Go try it now. If you find this useful, follow me for more tips like this.